I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath with me. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently releasing. That's it. You've just taken your first step into the world of mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment, aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's a powerful tool that can help reduce stress, improve emotional regulation, and boost focus. When we practice mindfulness regularly, we might notice changes in our sleep patterns, our physical health, and even our relationships. It's like giving our mind a mini vacation, allowing it to reset and recharge. The beauty of mindfulness is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of age or background. You don't need any special equipment or skills to get started. Now let's explore how to begin your meditation practice. First, find a comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or even lie down. Imagine yourself as a sturdy yet graceful Greek statue, perfectly still and at peace. Start with short sessions, maybe just 5 or 10 minutes, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. One simple technique is breath counting. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Count each inhale and exhale up to 10, then start over. Another method is the body scan. Start at your toes and slowly move your attention up through your body, noticing any sensations without trying to change them. And for those who find sitting still challenging, try walking meditation. Take slow, deliberate steps, focusing on the sensation of your feet touching the ground, as if you're leaving gentle imprints in soft sand.